Good morning, day 10. Woo! Double digits. Day 10, 75 hard. Gonna be a great day. Hey, listen. So, I have lost 2.5 pounds in 10 days. Now, a lot of people would be greatly discouraged by that. A lot of people think, oh man, I went from doing nothing to working out twice a day and eating healthy and drinking water, and, I should just be dropping weight left and right. Which, for some people, that's true. Some people lose weight faster than others. But look, if you got weight to lose, think about how long you've been that weight. Think about how long it took you to put on that weight. Like, if you're 30, 40, 50 pounds overweight, it didn't happen in the last, 2 months. If it did, that's impressive. But it happened over a period of time. So regardless of what you think should be happening, regardless of how fast you think weight should be coming off, it's just not the case. But consistency over time wins. So you just stick to it. Again, with 75 Hard or any other fitness program, you just got to stay committed to the process and not worry about what the outcome is, but focus on the things that you can control, which is showing up, working out, eating things you're supposed to eat, drinking water, getting sleep, managing your stress. Those are the things that you can control. And if you just focus on controlling those things every single day, I promise you the results will come. You just gotta be a little bit patient. And we're all impatient because we live in the TikTok world of I want everything right now. And, gimme. So be patient, make good choices. I'll see y'all later. Folks, day 10 of 75 Hard is complete. About to wrap up the night and get into bed. Listen, you are going to have days that test you, and I'm not going to say this day was one that really tested me, but there were very tight windows that I had to navigate through. There were decisions that I had to make because I wasn't quite 100% prepared with food. I had a very small block of time to get workout number 2 in. Otherwise, I would be going to work out right now, which is not ideal because it's 9 o'clock at night and it's cold outside. I don't want to do that. If I needed to, I would, but I don't want to. So, but here's the deal. You have to be committed to doing this, and you have to plan, and you have to look at your days in advance to understand what it's going to look like and foresee issues so you can start to problem solve ahead of time, because problem solving in the moment often leads to emotional decisions instead of rational ones. When we can look ahead and know, hey, this is coming up, this may be in the way, this may be in the way, I need to problem solve now, you're much more likely to make a good choice, make rational decisions, and not react to the situation or to what's going on, but be proactive. And that's what this program takes. You gotta be proactive. You gotta have a plan, and then you gotta go execute that plan. So y'all keep kicking ass. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Keep making good choices.